Okay, so today we're going to do something pretty simple. We got a 2005 Mercedes ML350, and I took it to change the oil. And when they did the inspection, they showed me the air filter, and the air filter was just absolutely nasty. And at the oil change place, to be unnamed, Valvoline, they they were charging me like $40 to change it when the air filter is about 12. So I decided to do it myself. Super simple. You're gonna like it, and it'll keep your car running smooth. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna lift the hood, and we're gonna find out where this air filter is at. Okay. So the air filter, it is located right here in the passenger side of the car, and kept in by a series of clips. So we'll show you how to change it in just a sec. Okay, so to replace this air filter, today we're going to be using an STP air filter. It's an SA8767 that you can find at Walmart, and in the car is located on the passenger side, and the air filter is held by those clips right there, right here. There's a total of like 5 or 6 clips that they should come up pretty easy. Alright, so let's try to take it out. So we're gonna undo this one, and we're gonna undo this other one right here. Can you see it? Done. Now we're gonna undo this one right here. Done. Now we're gonna undo this one. This is the easy one. Done. We're gonna undo this one now. Done. And this one on this other side. Come around. And this one right there. And that came out right here. So these things should not come off. And this is one nasty air filter that we're going to take out. You can see how it's like super dirty. So now we're gonna take out the new one right here. So we're gonna take the new one out of the box. Oh my gosh, it is so clean. It is super clean. So we're gonna take this one and we're gonna put it in here. Oops, sorry. Put it in there. It should fit right in. Yep. There. Nice and sparkly clean. And now we're gonna put the cover back on. So we're going to put it in right there. Clamp it. We're gonna clamp this other one. These little clips. We're gonna clamp it down. Now we're gonna go to this other one. We're gonna clamp this one down. There you go. And now we're gonna put this other ones back here. There. And now we're gonna put the one in the back. Done. And now we're gonna put the one on this side. And the one over here is also gonna go down. And there you go. The air filter is changed. Alright. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this will help you and save you some money. And that's Axel, the youngest member of the 4Runner Ninja team. This is our newest member of the 4Runner Ninja. Taking care of maintenance items, washing the car, keeping them nice and shiny. Any words of wisdom?
I don't know.